In this video, I'm going to show you how to add social media links to Mailchimp quickly and correctly, so your email campaigns can help drive more traffic to your social profiles. This is a simple way to make your emails feel more connected, more professional, and more useful for your audience. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the main menu and click on Campaigns. This is where you'll find the email campaign you want to edit. Next, locate the campaign you want to update and click Edit on that campaign. If you already have a draft or saved email design, this is the one you'll work with. After that, click Edit Design. This opens the email builder, where you can make changes to the layout and add new content blocks. On the left side of the editor, find the Blocks section. This is where Mailchimp keeps all the content elements you can drag into your email. Scroll until you see the social block. Now click the social block and drag and drop it into your email design. Place it wherever it fits best, whether that's near the footer, under your signature, or at the end of your main content. Once the social block is in place, Mailchimp will give you options to customize it. Here's where you choose the social media type. On the left panel, select the social network you want to use. For example, you can choose Facebook, Instagram, or X depending on which platforms you want to promote. If you want to use a follow option, choose follow. If you want to direct people to content you've shared, choose Share. This lets you control exactly how the social link behaves in your email. Next, fill in the URL fields with your social media handles or profile links. Make sure each link is accurate, because the social icons in your email will send people directly to those pages. If you're adding Facebook, Instagram, or X, paste the correct profile URL for each one. Take a moment to double-check every link so your subscribers don't end up on the wrong page. If you want to add more than one social platform, click Add another social link. Then repeat the same process for each additional account you want to include. This is a great way to add multiple channels in one place and make it easier for your audience to follow you wherever they prefer. Once everything looks good, review the block placement, the icons, and the links one final time. When you're happy with the setup, click Save and Exit. That saves your changes and closes the editor, so your updated campaign is ready to use. And that's it. You've now added social media links to Mailchimp. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in helping your email audience connect with you across more platforms. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.